Hey guys, the last time I showed anything about the folding knife, I had a rough blank. This one, this is the forged blank, which I have, I forged a flat onto it and the bevel. Then I took a draw file, filed it down, refined the bevel. Spent a lot of time with small files, cutting out all these profiles here to match the profiles on the original blade. So this is the original blade. Eric had asked me to make a blade with a Scandi grind on it. I started with the forged blade, which doesn't have a Scandi grind, but I'm going to make another one for him. But anyway, this is the blade as it now fits in the knife. So it's pretty nice. The only thing left is to put the secondary bevel down here, but it locks, feels pretty nice. There's just something that feels different between this blade and this stainless blade. But anyway, now that I've got this blade made, just take it out. I'm going to use this blade as a template for the Scandi ground blade. I've already drilled a 3/16 inch hole here, and I'm going to use that to index the blade in this blank. So now I know I've got the same pivot point. I will draw around it with this, and then just by stock removal, I'll grind out what I don't need on this, and then grind the Scandi grind on it. Second blade is definitely a lot easier to fit. now we put it in a 350-degree tempering oven for 1 hour. After that, we'll take it out, let it air cool, then repeat that cycle 2 more times. Cleaning off some of the quenching scale. This is the first blade. This is the non-Scandi ground blade. That'll do. Alright, so there it is, the final Scandi ground blade for the folding knife. That is really super duper sharp. Took it up to 8,000 grit. Folds nicely. Locks securely. Anyway, I'm going to get this in the mail to Eric. And I hope he enjoys it and the forged blade that went into it. Thanks for watching.